What if the power to heal, transform, and align your energy was right at your fingertips? In this video, you will learn how to harness the ancient practice of visualization to tap into your spiritual energy and experience profound healing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, visualization holds the key to unlocking your highest potential. Welcome. In today's video, we are diving into the transformative world of visualization, a powerful tool used for spiritual healing and energy mastery. Visualization is much more than a mental exercise. It's an energetic practice that allows you to connect with the deepest layers of your being, aligning both your body and mind with your highest self. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use visualization techniques to heal emotional wounds, balance your energy centers, and tap into the vast spiritual energy available to you. Whether you're new to this or already familiar with energy work, this guide will help you take your practice to the next level. Visualization, at its core, is the act of using mental imagery to direct the flow of energy. In spiritual healing, this means harnessing the power of your mind to create healing in your body, mind, and spirit. Through the use of intentional imagery, you can channel energy to specific parts of your body or energy field that need healing. Visualization has been used for centuries in various spiritual and healing traditions. In fact, the great Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung once said, "Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakes." This idea reflects the essence of spiritual healing, to look inward and transform our inner world so we can heal and grow. In the spiritual realm, everything is energy. Your thoughts, your emotions, and even your physical body all emit energy. Visualization helps you direct this energy with intention, creating a path for healing and transformation. Let's take a moment to explore the science behind visualization. While it may seem like a purely spiritual practice, there's an underlying neurological basis for it. When we visualize, the brain doesn't distinguish between what's happening in the physical world and what's happening in our imagination. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt, plays a critical role here. In fact, studies show that visualization can enhance physical performance, improve mental health, and even aid in healing by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. This is why the ancient practice of visualization has been embraced by modern science as a powerful tool for well-being. As the famous American psychologist Dr. Joe Dispenza states, "The greatest gift you can give yourself is the ability to change the energy within you." Visualization allows you to change that energy by rewiring your brain and your body's responses. Energy is the foundation of all healing. In the spiritual and holistic healing traditions, we believe that everything in the universe, including our bodies, is made of energy. The human body has an energy field, often referred to as the aura, and it's through this field that healing can occur. Visualization plays a pivotal role in balancing the energy within our bodies. For example, the chakra system, which consists of 7 major energy centers, can become blocked or unbalanced due to physical, emotional, or spiritual issues. Visualization helps us clear these blockages, restore balance, and activate healing energy. The renowned healer and teacher Barbara Brennan, who has worked extensively with energy fields, says, "The body is not a thing but a process. And the energy body is the connection between consciousness and physical matter." When we visualize healing energy flowing into specific areas of the body or energy field, we are essentially inviting a shift in our energy patterns, which leads to healing. Now, let's dive into the practical steps of how to use visualization for spiritual healing. Prepare your space. Start by creating a calm, sacred environment where you won't be disturbed. This is essential for setting the tone. Dim the lights, light a candle, or use incense if it resonates with you. You can even play soft, instrumental music or nature sounds to enhance the atmosphere. The goal is to feel safe, relaxed, and at peace. Center yourself. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet grounded. Close your eyes and take deep, calming breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to rise, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times to help clear your mind and settle into the present moment. Focus on a specific area. Once you feel grounded, bring your attention to an area of your body or energy field that requires healing. This could be a physical ailment, an emotional pain, or an area where you feel blocked, such as the heart or throat. If you're new to energy work, starting with a specific chakra, e.g. heart chakra for emotional healing, can be a great entry point. Visualize healing energy. Now visualize a gentle, healing light entering the area of focus. Imagine this light enveloping the space, filling it with warmth, love, and compassion. This light could be any color that resonates with you. White for purity, green for healing, blue for communication, or gold for divine light. Picture the light dissolving any blockages and restoring harmony, balance, and vitality. Trust the process. While visualizing, stay present with the energy. Trust that the healing is taking place, even if you don't immediately feel it. Healing can be subtle and may take time. Stay with the visualization for several minutes, allowing the energy to flow. As you finish, express gratitude for the healing that has occurred, knowing that the energy will continue to work long after the practice ends. A powerful mantra you can repeat during the session is, "I am whole, I am healed, I am aligned." Remember, if it feels challenging at first, don't be discouraged. Visualization, like any skill, improves with practice. The more you engage with it, the more profound and effortless the experience will become. For those with more experience in spiritual healing and energy work, there are more advanced techniques you can use to deepen your visualization practice. One such method is color visualization. Each color represents a different vibration and can be used to target specific areas of the body. For example, green is often used for healing the heart chakra, while blue can help with communication and the throat chakra. Another technique is sacred geometry. You can visualize geometric shapes, such as the flower of life or Metatron's cube, to help align and balance your energy field. These sacred symbols are believed to carry profound spiritual significance and can assist in powerful healing. In advanced energy work, practitioners may also use distant healing techniques. This involves visualizing healing energy flowing to someone else, no matter the physical distance. As the spiritual teacher and healer Dr. Michael Harner states, the healing power of the universe is available to us all, regardless of time and space. Visualization becomes a conduit for this universal energy. Visualization is an incredibly potent tool, but it can come with its challenges, especially when you're just starting. Here are some common hurdles and how to move through them. Difficulty focusing. It's common to struggle with focus, especially if your mind is busy or distracted. To overcome this, try meditating briefly before your visualization practice. This will help center your mind and clear away any clutter. Gentle breathing exercises also support concentration. Not feeling the energy. At times, you may not feel the energy flowing or experiencing healing right away. This doesn't mean the process isn't working. Energy healing often operates beyond what our senses can immediately perceive. Trust that the healing is taking place on a deeper level, and with practice, you'll become more sensitive to the subtle energies. Impatience. Healing takes time, and sometimes we want immediate results. Remember, as Dr. Deepak Chopra wisely said, healing takes time, and it's not about forcing the outcome but allowing the energy to work in its own time. Don't rush the process. Be patient and trust the healing journey. Keep practicing consistently even if it feels difficult at first. As you practice regularly, it will become easier, and you'll start noticing shifts in your energy and well-being. Visualization doesn't have to be a long or formal practice. In fact, the more you integrate it into your everyday life, the more naturally it will become a part of your routine. Here are a few simple ways to make it part of your daily practice. Before bed. Before you sleep, take a few minutes to visualize yourself in a peaceful, healing state. Imagine your energy field glowing with light, and picture yourself releasing any stress or tension. This will prepare you for a restful sleep and help clear your energy for the next day. In the morning. As soon as you wake up, sit for a few minutes and visualize your energy centers being balanced and aligned. See each chakra filled with vibrant, healing light. This sets the tone for the day and helps you stay centered, calm, and aligned during stressful moments. Visualization can be an excellent tool during moments of stress or anxiety. Simply take a few deep breaths and visualize light flowing into your body, calming your nervous system and bringing peace. It's a quick and effective way to ground yourself when you need it most. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes each day can have a profound impact on your energy and spiritual growth. By making visualization a habit, you'll gradually see shifts in your emotional, mental, and physical well-being. Visualization is a powerful tool for spiritual healing and energy mastery. By incorporating these practices into your life, you can unlock your own healing potential and connect with the vast energy that surrounds us all. Visualization is a truly powerful tool for spiritual healing and energy mastery. It allows you to tap into your innate ability to heal, transform, and align your energy. By practicing these techniques regularly, you'll experience profound shifts in your well-being and spiritual growth. Healing begins from within. You have the power to create balance and harmony in your life, and visualization is the key to unlocking that power. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your own experiences using visualization. I'd love to hear how it's impacted your spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on spiritual healing, energy work, and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and may your path to spiritual healing and energy mastery be filled with peace, light, and profound transformation.